everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL. Today's video I am super excited for because we have some awesome goodies from Merit Cosmetics. This whole box and little bag of goodies to share with you. So Merit Cosmetics reached out to me and asked if I wanted to help with their launch of their new signature lipsticks, and I took a look at the company. They are cruelty-free, they're vegan, and they are a minimalist makeup company, which I kind of love because a lot of times for my everyday makeup, I just want something like really quick and easy to slap on my face. And maybe just kind of look a little bit more enhanced. So here is a great shot of my before. Because I wanted to do this video completely in time with you. What's the word I'm looking for? First impression completely. So I didn't want any preconceived ideas for the intro. So I'm very excited to share all of this with you. They sent me, I picked up 2 shades of their signature lipsticks, and then they sent me a bag of some more goodies to try out. So, yeah, I'm really excited for that, and I hope you will stick around and see what I think of their makeup. If you're new to my channel, hello, how's it going? If you are a lover of all things makeup, this is a great channel for you, so I would love to have you as a subscriber. I am trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so I would love to have you stick around. So without further ado, let's get into Merit Cosmetics. Okay, so before we get started, just a little bit more about Merit Cosmetics. I am going to link them down below. They have also given me an affiliate code, which will also be down below, that you can use if you would like to purchase anything that you see me try on here. So they are a clean, cruelty-free, and vegan beauty brand. Like I said in the intro, they are a minimalist makeup company. They do have complexion, they do have lipstick, they have brows, but if you're just someone who just wants something a little bit more simple, a little bit easy, a little bit quick out the door, or for you, like that's more of a glam as compared to maybe just not wearing makeup at all, this is a really great company to look into. Their price point is really nice. And so everything's going to be linked down below. I do have an affiliate code, and that will be linked down below for you also. But they have just released their signature lip comfortable color lipsticks. They're lightweight, buildable, and have a satin finish. So here's my little bag of goodies for us to get into. So I am going to pull out first and show you the 2 lipstick colors that I chose. One is Cabo, and their lipsticks really range from kind of lighter natural colors to, they do have a couple of bolder colors. So this is their lipstick. Look how pretty that is. I really like this packaging. And then this is the shade Cabo. I'll go ahead and do a little swatch. Okay, so that's like initial swatch. So these go from sheer to more buildable full coverage. So I chose the 2 colors that I did because they are a little bit more springy. So this one is more of like a corally orange, like, kind of bright color. And then I also chose Millennial. I believe this is kind of more of like a pink. So again, here's the packaging. Really nice weight. So this is kind of like a nudie pink color. So again, it starts out sheer, and then you can add more to build it up. And I really like that color. So it's just like a nice, like rosy pink. And it kind of reminds me of like those 60s pink colors, which is what I tend to gravitate towards. So I also chose their brush number 1. So this is their blending brush. Looks like this. You can use this to blend in their complexion and blush products. So I'm excited to try this. And then I chose this is called the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got the shade Dune. There was 2 shades that I think that I could end up using. This is for light with pink undertones. And then they also have a light with neutral undertones, which I could probably do either one, but I think this is gonna work out pretty good. That's it kind of blended. So it just looks like this. You can use this all over your face or just where you feel like you need it. I chose 2 blush colors because I love me some blush. So the first shade that I chose is Beverly Hills. So it looks like this. So very like minimal packaging, easy travel on the go. Ooh, I really like this shade. I'm excited for this. So that is Hollywood. And then the other color that I chose is called Cheeky. And everything is recyclable. So this is kind of more of a little bit of like a deeper berry color. I'm running out of real estate here. Ooh, I really like that color too. So I am excited to try these out. And then last but certainly not least, is their Day Glow Highlighting Balm. And I chose the shade Cabo. So it looks like that. Pretty. We'll put it over here. So everything feels really nice. Everything's meant to just blend really easy. So yeah, the real test is putting this on the face. So let's get into a little bit of a try on tutorial. I am not, and I really like this little bag. It's so cute. It just has a little like tie there. How cute is that? Okay. So I am not going to do any other prep on my face. I just want to see how everything works on its own on my skin and what it's going to look like. So I want it to have like a really true test to see, you know, what everything looks like. So we're going to start with the Complexion Stick, and I'm going to run some under my eyes first, a little down forehead, some cheek action, and chin. And then we'll kind of go from there and see how it looks, how it blends out, how much I can kind of add to it. So I'm really just kind of putting this mainly in some of like my more, like, what I feel like are like my trouble zones as far as needing some coverage. But yeah, it's meant to be really light coverage because it is a minimalist. So this isn't going to be like full coverage makeup or anything. It's just gonna, I think, really meant to be like your skin but better. I'm just gonna add a little bit more in some places and see, like, just out of curiosity, kind of how much we can build this up. It looks really, really nice on the skin. It looks like my skin, but, you know, just a little bit amplified. I'm a little bit red in some areas, extra red because of allergies. And I just want to put a little bit more under my eyes to kind of see how much coverage there I can wind up with. So far I am really, really liking the Complexion Stick. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but it just blends so nice. And again, I ended up picking the perfect shade, I think, for my skin. It matches really, really well. Looking in the mirror, I'm definitely looking like very like smooth and poreless, but it still looks like my skin, which is great. I love that. So now let's do a blush. Which blush do I want to do? I think for today, because I am going to try on both of the lipsticks and they're a little bit different, I'm going to do the Beverly Hills because this one's a little bit more of a nudie pink and a little bit more like you know, could go with anything kind of blush, which I love. I love blushes where you could just kind of, you know, wear them with really kind of like most makeup looks or just like a more natural makeup look. And whoops, and yeah, so one trick is I actually, if I do contour, I like to throw some blush up on my forehead because it actually kind of helps tie the color, the whole look together, and it doesn't look like weird. It's just kind of like a natural contouring look. So I'm gonna kind of build this blush up a little bit more. So everything's very like kind of sheer, semi like buildable to probably like a sheer to medium look. But yeah, I like this blush a lot. Again, really nice and natural looking, but it gives you just like a really beautiful, healthy glow. So now I'm gonna go in with the highlighting balm. Put some here, and put some here. And yeah, I am loving this brush, by the way. Super soft, and it really just easily blends everything. And even though I'm using it with multiple products, things aren't looking muddy. They're looking really great. So let's get into the star of the show. And again, that is their new signature lipsticks. So I'm going to start with the pink shade, which is Minimalist, or Minimal, excuse me. And I need to dab my nose and the lip balm off of my lips before I put this on. So I will be right back. All right, so let's get started with the lipstick. Again, we're gonna go with Millennial. I think I've been saying this wrong, the name of this lipstick shade wrong the whole time. It is Millennial, not Minimalist. Ay, don't mind me. This again is Millennial. This is like a pinkier color. First thoughts, this is one of the most comfortable lipsticks I have ever put on my mouth. It feels really nice. It's like a lipstick and a balm in one, but it has a really good color payoff, as you can see. So this is kind of like first swipe on. I think it does really well as far as how much coverage it is. So I'm gonna kind of put on another layer. I'll be right back and we'll see how much this builds up, or if it really changes the color with more product applied. All right, so I am back. I think the color did deepen a little bit more. I really like this shade, especially just like for everyday makeup looks. I think this is a great color. It's definitely not going to be a long wear lipstick, but I think if you're a makeup minimalist, that's probably not something that you're looking for. But this is just a really, really nice lipstick. Man, your lips are not gonna get dried out using this. You are gonna love reapplying it. It's really nice. It feels super hydrating and moisturizing. I think most of the weight from it, yeah, is in the cap, which is kind of nice to me. I feel like that it feels like a nice, like luxurious item, but you're not paying like high luxury pricing for it. And I do really like the packaging. So I'm really happy with this color. I think some of their darker, deeper shades that they have, you could definitely go sheer and then kind of layer on to kind of deepen that color. So I'm going to take this off and then we are going to do Cabo. All right, so again, this is the shade Cabo. It's more of like an orangey, corally shade. It's more of your like springtime, like orangey, corally shade. So let's put it on and see how it looks with the first layer application. All right, so first thoughts are, I am loving the shade. They don't have any real true reds. This one is kind of more like that kind of orange red. They do have like some berries with a hint of red, but they don't have any real true reds. But I really like this shade. I think this is a great shade for spring. If you can do like these warmer toned lipsticks, that, like I said, this is a really, really good one for spring. It's just really beautiful. Again, these lipsticks are like putting on lip balm. They do not tug, they do not pull. They're just absolutely lovely. So now I'm going to go in and do some more perfecting and another layer to see how much more this color will build. So I will be right back. All right, so I am back with a little bit more on. It definitely built up the color. I think you can see a difference. It is a little bit more intense, and it's just a beautiful shade. I'm really, really impressed with their signature lipsticks. Overall, I'm very impressed with all of their makeup. This is definitely something that I'll be incorporating into my makeup routine. This is so like quick and easy. I am just really impressed. Everything blends really nicely and it feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel waxy, oily, anything like that. It just feels like skin, and I think I look pretty great. Not too shabby. So yeah, this is going to be the final look. Let me know what you think down below, if any of this sounds interesting to you. I really think if you are looking for something that's just quick and easy, this is a great brand to check out. So again, thank you so much to Merit Beauty for gifting me all of this beautiful makeup and their signature lipsticks. I am in love, and I'm definitely going to be using this more often for my day-to-day makeup. So that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.